What's up, Seamus? What you think, bud? Shall we go get, yeah, I know. It's a rough life being you. Alright, guys. Yes. Okay, episode 8. Wow. I think it's 8. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's episode 8. I lost track. I didn't get a midweek out this week, guys. The chip truck was open. Oh, need a very important item before we get too far out of the house. Very important item. Yes, we need one of these bad boys. It is a Sunday afternoon of a long weekend, and I haven't had one yet. On the road all day. So, yeah, I'll go get some gas. See if we can get a lawn tractor fired up, because my lawn care guy kind of went and had a health problem on me, so here we go. New jerry can. Gas up the lawn tractor and see if it's going to start. I haven't ran it since last year. I already went back and put a battery in it and thought, maybe I should put some gas in it. So let's see if it's going to fire up. Jerry can with about, yeah, well, we ain't got a half can the other day. I had to mortgage the business. This is getting ridiculous, hey guys. What? Yeah. See if we can get the tractor to start. Right. Oh, there's George. What's up, George? Oh, George hiding out under the deck. Say hi, George. Hey. Alright. My decrepit lawn tractor sitting back here by the garden shed. As you can see, my lawn's getting really out of hand here, guys. And we do have 8 acres of lawn, so yeah. Yeah, the shovel can go back up here by the front of the shed. 33s for my 96. Alright. Oh. See if we can set you guys up here somewhere. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. Like I say, this hasn't ran since last year, so. Doesn't seem to be pissing out everywhere. That's a good sign. Alright. That'll be enough just in case we got to pull that line off there. Looks like there's something shiny down there, but I don't know. Alright. She runs. Alright. One-handed. Got a lawn tractor in. Oh, and he loses the cap off the can. Oh, there it is. If I don't pick it up now, I'll never see it again. Let's get this gate open. And we'll bring this thing around. See if we can't find a stand for the camera at some point. Alright. That's how you do it. Alright, I'm going to get set up here a little more and we'll see if we can't check the oil, and I'll be back. Alright guys, well, when you've just freshly pulled your lawn tractor out of the weeds, be sure when you put them away in the fall, it's really important you store them correctly. I myself like to find a spot where the snow's going to drift really deep and bury it so it gets really good and buried in the wintertime. That way it can stay in a frozen, like cryostasis kind of form, you know. I do the same with my push mowers, but I tend to put them in a spot where I'm going to hit them when I plow. So I always end up trying to straighten the bodies out and fix broken wheels in the spring. But this is a good old Briggs & Stratton 12.5 in this one. These things are pretty durable. And of course, it looks like we're way over full. Let me get a rag. Let's see, we got, that's way over full, but hey, let's see what it is. It was just running, so. No, it's right at that line that says add. So I wonder what kind of mystery oil we got in the shop there. Because I'm not going to change it. You see, when I found this in the scrapyard and brought it home, along with the 3 other tractors, you can tell by the different colors on it, it had no oil in it. I topped it up. Since then, all we're doing is just adding to. I was really nice once, and I gave it a new spark plug. I'm not even, you know, I already had it running, so I'm not even going to mess with that, because then it's liable to never start. Alright guys, the only oil we got kicking in there, the flavor of the day, looks like it's going to get advanced synthetic, so just happens to be what's on the shelf. I'm not sure, I think this might have been for an oil change that we got coming up, but I'll buy more. We need just a little bit in here, so. Of course, only spill the appropriate amount. And I honestly don't care, synthetic, non-synthetic, vegetable oil, used. This old motor should consider itself lucky it gets oil at all, really. So, how are we looking now? Hard to tell. Oh yeah, that's good. It's on the stick. That's good enough. We're on the stick. We can check the air filter, but you know what? Everything's working, so why mess with a good thing? So let's put a lid back on this. I guess we'll fill up that can, and you know, I'm only giving it the best. This is new premium gas we're putting in this. I hate to say it. The gas is probably worth more than the lawn tractor, but I find my small engines do run better on premium. And for my grass guy, I hope you get better soon, bud, because I really do hate cutting grass. I would much rather pay someone to do the job. And you'll see, we'll do a tour. We're gonna mount the camera and do a lap of the backyard here, guys. I know Crazy Chevy's tiny shop, we do a little bit of everything. Kitchen's 1 week, this week it's lawn, but got to keep the place looking nice. You don't want someone else to buy it. Alright, so one last installation. Where are we going to put the camera mount? I think maybe, let's see if, alright, maybe, there we go. Alright guys, I'm going to we're going to put this on hold. We're going to time lapse you and yeah, go from there. Alright guys, well, I know it's been a crappy short video, but our little lawn tractor buddy here is a combination of 3, 4, I don't know, maybe 5 tractors now. She did good. She made it through. There's a short time lapse there. I should probably set the time lapse for, oh, I don't know, anything but 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I think I'll go less than that from now on because the video is really short. So, she went out, she cut about an acre. There's a sneak peek of our midweek video. I gotta do a little work on that tomorrow. And then we're gonna get back on the Toyota, hopefully for next week's vid. And it's supposed to rain the next couple of days, so I gotta get back on this too, but yeah, as you can see, she's still just like we left her. And then this big red and white thing out here just sucks up a lot of the time at this time of year. I gotta cook a lot of fries. I am gonna set a camera up in there this week and maybe we'll see what we can see. So, but I gotta ask guys, whatever happened to those kids walking around the yard pushing a lawn tractor or pushing a lawnmower around? Dad's gas. I used to do it as a kid. Sorry Dad, I probably never replaced the gas. You know how it is. These days you'd probably put the kid in prison for that one. The price of gas these days, I tell you, it's crazy. So here's what we're looking at now. I did get this all cut. The tractor did a good job. But guys, that's gonna be it. What do we got going on here? Well, it's giving me a message. I don't know if it's still recording or not. Are we recording? Yeah, we're recording. So, there it is. We cut it all. Yeah, we're gonna do, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Like I say, sorry we're not getting much on the car stuff these days. I just got so much other stuff on the go. I'm trying guys, but a lot of work in the process. So, like I say, don't do what I do if you ain't got bail money. And keep coming back guys, you never know what I'm going to put up here. Be good.